Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an exciting new smartphone, the Livinyteb S23 Ultra, a feature-packed Android phone that promises premium performance at an affordable price. If you've been looking for a device that can do it all without breaking the bank, this might just be the one for you. Grab your favorite snack, sit back, and let's get started with the unboxing, and then dive deep into its features. Let's start with the unboxing experience because, honestly, first impressions matter. The box itself has a sleek design with the branding prominently displayed on top. It feels sturdy and well made, which is always a good sign. Opening it up, you're greeted with a neatly organized package containing everything you need to get started right away. Inside you'll find the S23 Ultra smartphone itself in titanium blue, a stunning color that feels modern and luxurious. Right off the bat, the phone looks impressive, with its glossy finish and premium aesthetics. But wait, there's more. The box also includes a pre-applied HD screen protector, which is always a nice touch. I mean, who doesn't love saving time and effort by not having to apply one themselves? There's also a durable phone case, ensuring your device stays protected from scratches and accidental drops. For charging, you'll find a USB-C 2.0 charger cable, along with a power adapter, so you can start juicing up your phone immediately. And yes, there's a pair of earphones included, which is perfect for music lovers or those who prefer wired audio over Bluetooth. Finally, you get a handy SIM needle for inserting or removing SIM cards, and a detailed user manual to guide you through setup and troubleshooting. Honestly, the unboxing experience feels complete and thoughtful, setting a positive tone for what's to come. Now let's talk about the design and display. When you first pick up the S23 Ultra, the first thing you notice is how solid yet lightweight it feels. At just 260 grams, it's easy to carry around without feeling bulky. The titanium blue finish gives it a premium look, while the build quality feels robust and reliable. It's the kind of phone you'd proudly show off to your friends. On the front, there's a massive 7-inch high-definition LCD screen with a 95% screen-to-body ratio. This means minimal bezels and maximum immersion. Whether you're watching videos, browsing social media or gaming, colors pop vividly, and text appears crisp and clear. Sure, it's not OLED, but for an LCD display, it performs exceptionally well. Whether you're streaming Netflix, playing PUBG or editing photos, the screen delivers vibrant visuals that enhance your overall experience. Plus, the pre-applied HD screen protector ensures your display stays scratch-free, and the included phone case adds an extra layer of protection. The phone's design strikes a great balance between aesthetics and functionality, making it both visually appealing and practical for everyday use. Let's shift gears and talk about performance and storage, because honestly, no one wants a phone that lags or runs out of space. Under the hood, the S23 Ultra is powered by an 8-core processor paired with 8GB of RAM, which ensures smooth multitasking and lag-free performance. Whether you're switching between apps, streaming content, or playing graphics-intensive games, this phone handles it all effortlessly. Apps load quickly, animations are fluid, and the system remains responsive even when running multiple tasks simultaneously. In terms of storage, the S23 Ultra offers 256GB of internal storage, giving you plenty of space for photos, videos, apps and files. While it doesn't support expandable storage via microSD, 256GB should be more than enough for most users. Running on Android 13, the interface is intuitive and customizable, offering a seamless user experience. Whether you're a casual user or someone who relies heavily on their phone for work and entertainment, the S23 Ultra delivers strong performance that meets a wide range of needs. Trust me, you won't be disappointed with how snappy and responsive this phone feels. Now let's talk about one of the standout features of the S23 Ultra, its monster 6800 mAh battery. Yes, you heard that right. 6800 mAh. That's one of the largest capacities I've seen in a smartphone recently. Combined with intelligent AI battery management, this phone offers incredible endurance. You can easily go 2 days or even longer on a single charge depending on usage. Whether you're binge-watching shows, scrolling through TikTok, or attending Zoom meetings, the battery life will keep you worry-free. And if you do run low, the included USB-C 2.0 charger supports fast charging to get you back up and running quickly. During my testing, I found that even after a full day of heavy use, including streaming videos, taking photos and browsing the web, the battery still had plenty of juice left. This kind of longevity is rare in today's smartphones, and it's definitely one of the highlights of the S23 Ultra. Honestly, I haven't felt this confident about a phone's battery life in a long time. Of course, no smartphone review would be complete without talking about the camera system, and the S23 Ultra doesn't disappoint. For photography enthusiasts, this phone delivers some seriously impressive specs. On the back, you have a quad camera setup headlined by a 108MP main sensor. This camera captures sharp details, vibrant colors, and excellent dynamic range, even in challenging lighting conditions. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or close-ups, the results are consistently stunning. There's also a secondary lens for ultra-wide shots, allowing you to capture expansive scenes like cityscapes or group photos. A macro lens is included for capturing intricate details, such as flowers or textures, and a depth sensor helps create professional-looking bokeh effects for portraits. Video recording capabilities are equally impressive, supporting high-resolution footage with stabilization for smoother clips. On the front, you'll find a 48MP selfie camera with built-in portrait enhancement. This ensures your selfies and video calls look sharp and natural, with skin tones accurately rendered. Overall, the camera system is versatile and capable of handling almost any scenario, whether you're documenting your daily life or pursuing creative projects. Now let's talk about connectivity and security, because these are important factors to consider. The S23 Ultra supports 5G dual SIM technology, covering a wide range of network bands, including 5G, 4G, 3G, and 2G. This makes it compatible with virtually all carriers worldwide, ensuring reliable connectivity wherever you go. Whether you're traveling internationally or simply want the flexibility of using 2 SIM cards, this feature adds significant value. In terms of security, the phone features facial recognition for quick and convenient unlocking. While it lacks a fingerprint scanner, facial recognition works reliably and adds a layer of convenience to daily use. The phone also includes standard connectivity options like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS, ensuring you stay connected no matter where you are. Honestly, it's the little things like this that make the S23 Ultra feel like a well-rounded device. To wrap things up, the Livinyteb S23 Ultra is a compelling option for anyone looking for a powerful, feature-rich smartphone without breaking the bank. With its stunning 7-inch HD display, massive 6800 mAh battery, impressive 108MP plus 48MP camera system, and robust 8-core performance, it ticks all the boxes for both casual users and tech enthusiasts alike. And here's the best part, it's priced at just $199.99 Canadian dollars. For what you're getting, this phone offers an incredible value for money. Sure, it may not have flagship-tier materials or the latest cutting-edge innovations, but for its price point, it punches way above its weight. If you're in the market for a budget-friendly yet highly capable device, the S23 Ultra is definitely worth considering. So what do you think? Would you pick up the Livinyteb S23 Ultra? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.